I feel we are glutinous to the maximus. Glutes. Check out my glutes.
I'm here to pump
You are in the belly. Hey, all you crusty people out there. Really? Just started. Hey, all you crusty people out there.
Welcome to the best cooking show in the world.
2 chefs.
1 knife.
And it's a sandwich off.
He's got savory, I got sweet.
I am going to just do a little spin on your classic grilled cheese sandwich, but we're going to do a Philly grilled cheese. Motown Philly's back again.
I am uncomfortable. Too much eye contact. So I am going to be doing something crazy. I'm going to be doing a dessert type grilled cheese. It's going to be a pumpkin grilled cheese sandwich. All pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Aww. Philly cheesesteak. Fantastic sandwich. Delicious, delicious. So a mixture of peppers, onions. Usually I think classically provolone cheese that is used with some sliced beef. But yeah, we're just gonna switch it up a little bit. So as I creepily already cut my onions, I'm gonna just quickly do some bell pepper to go with it. So cut the ends off your pepper. This is the way you're getting 0 waste on your pepper, besides the stuff you don't want. Like 100% like yield on the flesh. So cut a little slit through it just like that. And using your knife, just kind of follow around, loosen it up from all the ends. And then it just pops right off, just like that. There you go. See? Look at that. That's all you got. Look at the waste. Just the seeds and the stuff. So I just kind of chop them up. We got our pan already preheating, so we're going to be hot and ready to go. There you go. Pan's hot. Now we'll get it really hot. Hit a little bit of oil. As usual, like thing. Oil's getting nice and runny. Look at that. That means your pan's hot. That's what you want. You want to get a good sear on your veggie. You want to sear it, not steam it. So we need a hot pan. Ready?
Ready.
We should hear sizzle, people. Oh, that was lame.
Anticlimax.
That was not hot. Enough. I'm gonna throw some onions in there. And then we're gonna get a little bit of garlic ready. Gonna kind of just get them softened a little bit. We don't need to go like crazy cook here. There you go. All right, so while that's going, we're gonna start on the rest of the sandwich. So we're gonna make 2 sandwiches, just because it looks better for our thumbnail. So I'm gonna use mayonnaise instead of butter, just because mayonnaise, when it melts, when it hits the pan, and it just it takes the flavor of that mayo and just melts it right into the bread. It's so good. I'm mayoing the crap out of this. I don't care. Why not? So, there you go, people. So, we're going to flip one of them on the other one, just so we can assemble the sandwich while the peppers are going. Give it another little toss here. Stand back. Alright, that's cooking pretty good. We're going to give it a little season now. Add some flavor. Draw out that moisture with the salt and the lovely seasoning salt we got here. Beautiful. Alright, so we got our sandwich. We're going to go cheese. We're going with a little aged cheddar here. We got some really thick slices. We're going for that gooey, ooey, cheesy deliciousness. There we go. Then we're going to take the boeuf. So we got a fresh roast beef here. You can use whatever you like. Ribeye, leftover New York steaks from the night before. But traditionally, I believe a Philly is made with a ribeye. We are using fresh off the road. It's the inside round. We got a little roast. Did a nice little roast beast. So there we go. We're going to hit the beef, a little bit of seasoning, just because we didn't, like when we cook a roast, we always seasoning on the outside. So now got to make sure we get some of that salt inside the beef. Our peppers and onions look like they're ready here. All right, we're going to scoop some of this veg right on top. And it's really hot, that's why I'm not using my fingers, but I'll fix it after. Just get some out of the pan first. Ta-da! All right, then we're going to come back. We're going to fix all this, move it on up. So pan is now preheated again. So here we go. We're going to pick up this monstrosity of a sandwich. Drop right on here. Gonna put the other one on top. Oh man. Joey Tribbiani would be all over this sandwich.
How you doing,
How you doing, sandwich? Oh, man. Can you hear it? It's talking to me. It's saying, ouch. It's the money shot!
Oh, yeah.
Boom! There's one. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. You know, sometimes in life, it's not that great to be crusty. But this time it is. So after you got nice color on both sides of the sandwich, we are going to put this sandwich on hold because what we're going to do is we're going to bake them in the oven just to get all the beef, the cheese, everything all hot, warm, and gooey inside.
We like a thick sandwich. Okay, so I'm gonna do, it's gonna be a cream cheese and brie. It's very rich.
That's a very rich, creamy sandwich.
Yeah, it is. Brie goes well with sweet things, so I feel like this should work.
Oh, so it's going to be wicked with me.
Alright, so we got some cream cheese here. Softened, room temperature, so it's easy to mix. Pumpkin puree, unseasoned, unflavored. Pumpkin spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice. Some powdered sugar.
Woo!
It is. This will all melt together too in the sandwich, so it's okay if it's a little streaky.
Sugar pie, honey bunch.
You know that I love you.
Can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, this is why we take so long on our videos.
Can't help it.
I have a thick cut brioche bread that I bought at Walmart, not ashamed. Not sponsored. So I'm gonna use butter for mine because I feel like mayonnaise isn't a real desserty thing, you know?
I thought you were just about to trash talk my sandwich.
No, no, no. That's behind your back.
Spread the butter. Spread the shit out. Oh yeah. Spread it hard. Spread it more.
I am uncomfortable. I'm gonna spread more things now. Awkwardly. Okay, so this lovely, it's almost like cheesecake. It's like pumpkin cheesecake. You know, this would also be great dipped in egg and then as a French toast.
Ah, yes, it would be delightful.
We got some brie. I got some cinnamon sugar.
Oh, snap.
I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit on.
She's
the
going there.
cheese.
You're a sprinkle.
Oh, yeah. It needs salt to bring out all these flavors. Just a little bit. You don't want to go too crazy. And then this.
Boom shakalaka. There we go, into
There
the
we
pan.
go. It's long. It's like.
That's what
Yeah,
she
that's
said.
what she said. Yeah, we're gonna be baking this as well because it's so thick.
Where's the oven rattling?
I don't know.
It's the ghost of pumpkin past.
Grace died 5 years ago. You can stop it. Time for the reveal, okay? The
Oh, let's
food.
keep it PG here, Yams. Oh, that's like cinnamon toast crunch now.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I just put a little cinnamon on the top. I went there. I'm gonna transfer this.
Let's flip it.
Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this.
Oh, it's like rainfall. That's like, wow, you cinnamon it up. All right, we're firing some sandwich into the lion's den. Oh, look at that brie coming out. I'm coming out.
Want the world to know that he is no homo.
There we go. You got some sandwich. Ow!
Ow. Neil of the house hearkens, cooker of the food.
I bend the knee! Okay, it's sandwich time. Synchronized cutting! Oh, that's
Two
good.
shots, one night.
Oh, yeah, that's what it sound like. Ooh, that's crusty bread. Is it, are we stacking it? Like Jenga?
Yeah. I can't see.
Man, look at all the sandwich. It's sandwich towers.
Sandwich.
I present thee with Philly of the cheese sandwich. Here we go.
Here we go.
So yeah, we got like as you see, we got some beef there. We got layers of beef, layers of cheese, peppers, onions. We got bread.
It's taste time.
It's taste time. These are big
They
tasters.
are.
It's huge.
Okay, that's what she said.
That's gross, Grace. All right, here we go. Chin chin.
Mmm.
That's good.
I like the veggies in there, everything. Well balanced, like we always say.
It's like that sandwich is related to Lionel Richie. It's so rich.
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
No.
Talking to the sandwich. Okay, dessert time.
This is dessert time. Look at that. It smells good. You get that cinnamon and sugar. Ready, Freddie?
Ready.
All right,
Okay,
let's do it.
Let's go.
It is like a dessert. It is very good considering I'm eating two things I do not like: pumpkin and brie.
Yeah. Oh, really? You don't like those?
I don't like
You're
brie.
Weird.
That's good.
It's good, right?
Wow, I was actually very skeptical on this thing, but you're right. It does have a richness, but it's very smooth. It's not like in your face. It's
No.
more like how you doing?
It's like
How you doing?
in your face, but boundaries are respected. How far along are you? Are you okay that he did that to you without your
know.
consent? Hashtag not funny.
No.
No.